guys, so I don't know if you guys are dealing with the same thing where my vinyl is pink, and you know the font, whatever it's called, the words, the letters, it's pink, right? And you click make it, and it looks like this. I don't think it's supposed to look like this at all, and I'm sure some of you guys are dealing with the same thing. And then you click continue, and it's into printer, and then print, and then click vinyl. and then nothing else. You just do it on the Cricut thing, and it says it's scanning, and it's scanning supposedly, but it doesn't work. I don't know if you guys are dealing with the same thing like I am. Like, it's not scanning, it doesn't work, and this pops out. Like, it says print something cut or arrow. I forgot what it said, but yeah. Well, I have a solution for you. I found a way. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click cancel, and then you're gonna wait, and then click cancel again, and then you click yes, and you click cancel again. Well, I found a way. What you're gonna do is click on the whatever you're gonna cut out. I'm gonna click on Barbie, and then you're gonna click cut. Pay attention, cut, and then cut again, and it's gonna turn in that color. You're gonna have to choose black, the color black. That's how it worked for me. I chose the color black, and it worked for me. And I found the solution myself because I was trying to YouTube it. Okay, then you're gonna click. I forgot what it said. I think it said. I don't know what it said, but just watch the video. You know, follow with the video. It's gonna work. Trust me. It should be looking like that. You know how it showed black, whatever, and it didn't show like the white paper. Yeah. So now it's gonna work, yo. You're gonna click that, and then Cricut, and then it's cutting now. It should work now. See, I got you guys. And I tried YouTubing it before, and I couldn't find nothing, bro. And I don't know how, I forgot how, but I figured this shit myself. Excuse my language. I figured this myself, and I forgot to post this video. See, look, it works. It worked. It cut out. It's perfect. It's cool. You just have to choose the color black. It worked for me. Look how it looks. It looks dope. It looks cute. It looks clean. So just watch the video, and thanks for watching. Bye. Bye again.